Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to talk about or discuss about the AirPod problem. I have already made a video on how to fix the AirPods which got a good response, so I would suggest you guys to first check that out because that is the first part of this video and I think your problem will be solved there only. And if not, then come back to this video because this is the final result or end of this topic, that actually what is the last step or things we can do to fix our left or right AirPods. So sit back, and I know you guys cannot relax because of your AirPods. So I have told this earlier too in my video that all of my method that I showed in that video didn't work for me, but worked for many, which is great. Like all the options like hard reset, that microwave radiation thing, automatic ear detection, hearing aids. So again, I am forcing you guys to check out that first video to know about everything. Who knows, this might be the reasons for your AirPods connection problem. So now just like me, you guys are also suffering from AirPods connection. But I'm out of this. So what I did, right? To be honest, many of you might get offended, but this is the truth. All AirPods cannot be get fixed, and that is the truth, whatever you do to them. Firstly, I noticed this in India, and also I talked with some of guys who stays in US. Actually, they all are my subscribers, so thanks to them. They told me that they cannot get their AirPods fixed. They can only get it replaced, like the defect one, like the right or left, whatever it may be. If it's in the warranty, then claim your left or right AirPod right now, if none of the thing is working. So, before you guys jump all over me, hear me out. My device was almost 2 years old, and in my case, right one was not working. I mean, it was disconnecting. And now when I look back, I remember in early days when my AirPods was like 6 months old, the right one used to get disconnect like in 30 minutes or so. When it was around 15 months old, I started to get disconnection in 15 minutes. And now it was disconnecting in 7 minutes to be exact. Yes, from 30 minutes to 7 minutes. For sure, they used to work when I used to put them back in my case and use it again, but you get my point. So I felt a pattern here, you see. And also in my comment section, you guys were commenting I only had them for 6 months, some for 4 months. So this is happening with everyone. Now my question here is, how long is the life of your AirPods? Like in my case, 2 years. But I started to see a problem in 6 months only. And now I feel I might be completely wrong, but 50 to 60% of the AirPods have this problem of disconnection. And if we will not fix that, it will going to get even worse, which eventually means we need to go for a new one. So that is my point. If you can spot or if you can feel that your AirPods are having connection problem like within 6 months or so, go to the Apple store and please get them replaced. And unfortunately, that's what I did. I went with AirPods Pro because my AirPods was out of warranty and they were 2 years old. That's why I went with AirPods Pro. And don't rush, just listen to me. For my right old AirPods, they were charging somewhere around 4 to 5,000. Yes, for my right one which was not working, they were charging me around 4 to 5,000, which basically means $60 to $70 for one single headset. And if I wanted, I can get a new one like a Seal Pack 1 AirPods for $170 to $180, which is roughly around 12 to 14,000. So when the difference was this confusing, I sold my old AirPods for $40 or so, which is around 3,000, and bought AirPods Pro. But that is not my point. My point is, when I went to the store for all this, they actually showed me how many single defected AirPods were there, like some of right, some of left. Then the guy in the store told me after 1 year, you have very low chance that both might work perfectly. Yes, he actually told me this, that after 1 year you have very low chance that both might work perfectly, which means the product is defective. But we as a consumer are making it more famous. Like we all know, even if our AirPods will get broken or whatever the situation may be, after this also we are going to go for AirPods only. And that's what I went with. I went with AirPods Pro because the guy in the store told me we don't have any AirPods Pro for repairing. Yes, he told me we don't have any AirPods Pro for repairing. But I cannot believe them. But I guess we are stuck in this term which is called ecosystem. So now I'm using AirPods Pro for past 3 months or so, and it's been working damn good so far. But now I feel anything can go wrong. And if anything goes wrong, here is what I'm going to do. I'm going to try out all the different ways to fix it, like I did it in my first AirPods video. You can check that out again if you want. And if not, then I will straight away going to get to the Apple Store and get it exchanged within my warranty period. So that is the only fix I can recommend you guys now. I'm really sorry. I'm not here for views. I'm not here to give you some fake advice or fake things, because that is not my thing. I'm just sharing my experience with you guys, and that is a sad reality. But if your AirPods are under warranty, do fix them. Don't be lazy. See some YouTube videos, but even if they are not working, go to the Apple Store right now. So yeah, with that being said, I hope you all are not going to dislike this video. Subscribe for more AirPods video and update about this. And again, I'm AJ and I'm signing off. Bye bye.